I've got everything buttoned up. I'm gonna have to get another lower hose for the expansion valve because it's leaking. I've got enough water in the system right now that I can just start it and see where it goes. And I noticed on the bottom of the radiator hose so far that it's leaking, so I haven't even started it yet. I got to put the battery in it, and then we're gonna see if it'll start. Let's see what happens. See if this thing blows up. All right, got the shifter in. It's in neutral. Hope this thing doesn't blow up on me. Get this out of the way. Have not started this thing yet, so I'm going to let it prime. Get some fuel up there. Let's see if it'll even just turn over. Holy shit. It wanted to start. Oh man. That's a good sign, guys. That is a good sign. Let's see what happens. Battery doesn't die. Here we go. Oh my god. Holy shit. It fucking runs. Fucking runs. Alright, I got it on jack stand, so it's not going anywhere. Fucking running. Probably gonna die, but sounds kind of smooth. Definitely got to do some tuning on it, but I got a leak there. Gonna burn off some stuff over there. Sounds like I got a pulley that needs to be fixed. Doesn't sound like that's leaking. Everything's out of the way. Let it run under its own power right now. Get a little bit more water in there. Alright, so I've got good flow going on in the reservoir, so that's good. And this is just straight pipe all the way out. Oh my gosh, guys, my battery's about to die, but I'm so happy right now. This thing is actually freaking running. I'm beside myself right now. Did this all by myself. all in one day, putting this motor back in, I'm pretty freaking excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out what else I need to do to this thing to get it to where I can drive it on the road. Might actually just try to see how this clutch feels. So it's engaging. Okay, that's good. Clutch doesn't feel bad. See if I can get to a reverse. Reverse doesn't really want to go. Okay, there's reverse. Temp's staying low right now, that's good. I need to get a heat gun, and it seems to be idling in a decent area. See if it'll take any RPM. Little RPM going on. There's a little action there. It's definitely got something making it fluctuate. I actually don't have an engine light on. That's amazing. It's just a brake light and ABS. Well, the EML light, I think that has something to do with the, they put it in limp mode. I'm not sure. I need to find that out. Yeah, it's in EML mode right now, so definitely got to find out what's going on with that. We'll definitely be putting a muffler on this thing. Sounds like I gotta get that pulley right there. I need to replace that pulley. I can hear it. This hose, I know it's leaking. I don't believe that lower radiator hose is leaking anymore. Once I fix this vacuum right there, make sure everything is doing what it's supposed to do, I think we'll be good. Run the codes on it and see what the EML light is, and pretty much go from there. Definitely some vacuum leaks going on. Should have good oil pressure. Got plenty of oil up top. Actually staying pretty cool, so probably not gonna have any brake. I got some brake. patch this thing up, put everything back together, and let's see if it'll go down the road. That's what I'm ready for, is going down the road in it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all found something in this that'll help you guys out in your builds. Pretty excited about this. Next video you'll probably see is taking this thing out for a spin and see what we can do with it. Thanks for watching.